3. In this video, I'll show you how to use camera controls in Higgsfield. First, open your web browser and go to the Higgsfield website. Sign into your account, then start a new AI video project or open an existing one. Next, upload an image or enter a text prompt to create your scene. Once your project is ready, locate the camera controls section in the generation settings. Now, choose the camera movement you want to use. Depending on the available options, you can select movements such as pan, tilt, zoom, dolly, orbit, or other cinematic camera presets. Select the movement that best matches the effect you want to create. After that, customize the camera settings if the controls are available. You can adjust the movement intensity, direction, speed, or other camera options to create a smoother or more dramatic animation. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Generate to create the video. Finally, preview the generated video to see how the camera movement affects the final result. If you want a different look, change the camera controls or try another camera preset, then generate a new version until you're happy with the outcome. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use camera controls in Higgsfield. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.